Good afternoon once again. This is Darren Crawford of Crawford Construction. Today will be the underlayment proportion or tutorial of the job. Basically what I've done here is I've started to put down sheets of 4x8. Sheets are like maybe like an 1/8 inch thick, but they go by a number system of 5.2, whatever that means. I'm not really familiar with it. I know it's an 1/8 inch thick. Now basically what I did was I started with a full sheet that had to be notched out a little bit for this bump out I built for the refrigerator. I ran it 8 feet, notched it, and measured another piece that went in front of it, approximately, I think it's like 67 inches from the piece that was installed all the way over to the wall and underneath. Alright, and if you notice what I did on the second application, I'll zoom in a little bit here. The joints are offset. Now there's a bit of sun glare here, so you really can't see it, but I'll go a little closer. One seam went down approximately maybe 2 feet, and there's another seam. Alright, now I'm not really sure of why they offset it. I more or less think it's for moisture purposes, to keep the moisture, within. You never want to put a seam straight across another seam that comes the opposite direction, sort of like a cross. You never want to do that. For what happens is it might disrupt the application process for whatever's getting installed, whether it's linoleum, ceramic tiles, or whatever. In this case, in the customer's kitchen here, which is being remodeled from scratch, she's still not sure what she's going to get yet. There might be 18 by 18s, 12 by 12 ceramic tiles, or some other form of tile that the customer picks up. Whatever it is, it's going to be pretty nice once I'm done with it. Like I said, all the joints have to be staggered. Any openings or any voids have to be filled in. For instance, this in the back piece has been filled in. Now what I'm going to do over here where my equipment is located is I'm going to wait until I get the cabinet, the base cabinets in, because this plumbing here has to be relocated. Right here, the 2 pipes and the 1 PVC pipe in the middle have to be relocated because we're not sure of exactly where the sink is going to be located. If it's a little bit to the left, I'll move it to the left. If it's a little bit to the right, I'll move it to the right. We're going to be using flex tubing underneath anyway. The wire that's coming out of the wall is actually going to be installed on the inside of the cabinet. I'll cut a hole, pull it through, keep it to the left of the garbage disposal, or wherever the garbage disposal is going to be located. And the electrician will hook up his necessary equipment that will operate that particular function. Any holes will be filled in with maybe some type of putty or like a spray foam or something to make the application a little easier. I had to notch out under the radiator. It's a steam system radiator, so that I can get my underlayment all the way to the back side of the wall. But basically this is the, like I said, the underlayment tutorial, and I'll give you a view of what's been happening so far. Like I said, we got the walls up. We're still waiting to get the windows. We're having a hard time finding the windows in this size. They're 36 by 36. It might end up being a special order. We don't know yet. But I don't want to go under 32 inches. We can go as low as 32 inches, but we can't go over 36. If we go 32 by 36, there'll just be framing that has to be done. We'll do the math and separate the difference, and we'll take it from there. It's not hard to do. It's just improvising and being pretty good at math. Alright, you can see that I got the walls mostly coated with compound. Ceiling is coming along. A couple of spots I had to pay attention to because the rafter systems that were installed up top, older construction, really no levels were involved. But back to the tutorial at hand. This has been the underlayment tutorial and portion of this particular job. and I will keep you up to date with every new project that comes along. The next project, I'm not sure. It might be cabinets, might be the windows, whatever it is. I will definitely enlighten you and educate you on the installation parts of that particular phase of this contract. This is Crawford Construction. My name is Darren Crawford, sole proprietor of Crawford Construction. You have a blessed day.